Breaker, 5-minute fair value gap. 15-minute alt block. Goodbye. Great buy. Incredible buy. Credible. Hold a minute. Old fair value gap. Bang, bang. Rocket. Yep. That's on the 15. Order block. Let it run. That 1 second mark can make a model look like. Order block. Poke. Breaker. They're not the cleanest in the world right now. That would be it to go. That would be it. It's kind of fucking around. Definitely can still go. I mean, it's just kind of printing candles right now. There we go. Cooler in. Very much in sync here. Oh, peeps, 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 peeps. Five-minute close there. What's up, boys? Chat's dead. Chat's so dead. Chat's like fucking dead. Get some of the nicotine in it, but nicotine fix. Damn. Still holding strong. I like the buy side. Have SMT on the lows. I do like some nice buy side here. Hazel, what's good, baby? How was your day off? Get a lot of shit done? I do like higher. You like the vibe? Vibes are good right now. The with the music. Little mental rest from ASX. You gotta explain to Patrick how fucking taxing that shit is, bro, at UPS. I think we'll go higher. Hit off this line one more time and bounce. There you go. Hit up right off that line. I mean, I saw a bounce from there. Little bounce. And bounce. Bounce it, bounce. Bounce it, bounce. I'm about to throw a couple thousand. Bounce. That's a fucking jam right there. Oh, a little tiny first presented. Bam, right there. Go. 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 Tiny boy first P. Tiny boy. NASDAQ is the weakest one compared to all of them. Yeah, it should shoot up. Here she goes. $9.40. First 10 in the books. Should go from this order block here. Yep, there she goes. Look at that respect. Massive down wick and then just flip over. That's crazy. Yep. Yep, massive down wick. Still respected just using the wicks. Big respect. ES still has some room to run. You got pre-market highs and you have regular trading hour highs from yesterday above it. I like ES to keep running. Go to ES now real quick. Bang, pre-market highs from ES. Yeah, 100%. Trading hour high here. Coming in hot. Yo, KP. Who's on the lives, bro? There she goes, regular trading hour high. Maybe we got this high on the NASDAQ. Then we got these highs on NASDAQ. Nasty, bro, nasty. Bang, ES, regular trading hour highs. How you doing? Hell yeah, bro. That's huge. Yeah, I got a shit ton of accounts right now, bro. It's fucking nuts. Fucking nuts. As ED looks like it's gonna keep riding higher. ES as well. Still got some buy side to deal with. I gotta drop a shit because I'm eating fucking caffeine and nicotine right now. Do both of those make you shit? I forget. I forget which one like actually like really makes you shit. Bro, it's all different, bro. Who gives a fuck? Shit, Jade Cap's making fucking 5 mil in fucking withdrawals. Like, an ICT trader. There are 2 traders that have like millions of dollars of withdrawals. Are like publicly out there or like influencers. Like, I'm nowhere near that, bro. Nowhere near that. I think it's gonna come back down. I think we'll get back below the opening range here. We'll be straight back into the first presented. I think we'll come back down to this area. 18,130. Because you blasted off into one direction, bro, after consolidating a little bit. If consolidating manipulation, I'm looking at this, all is manipulation. And then it's going to fold back down. It can get all the way up to the new week open gap, which is this area, this white area. And then fold back down. But I love those kind of days where it just trends pre 10 o'clock in one direction. And then completely reverses at 10. And then just wipes out that original consolidation. That's like my favorite fucking setup. It was just so good. It's like you just get everybody on their fucking mom in on a buy, and they're like, "Oh my god, it's all the way up here. It's gonna keep going." And then you just wipe their fucking faces off for people that were too greedy that didn't get out. So good. So good. Hey Pete, they got Ninja Trader on TradingView now. Bro, I gotta take a shit. Hopefully this thing doesn't fucking tank. Fucking if it does. It's not time yet. We still got fucking 10 minutes. Not really, I mean. Oh shit. Ew. I be doing dumb shit. Yeah, bro. I remember when we were back in Harpa, bro. You would just have that shit up. Just be. I'm like, bro, you trading your accounts right now? He goes, yeah, bro. I saw this shit. I'm taking that. I go, okay. It can do that. I mean, this is like the low-hanging fruit of all it needs. If it starts breaking down, bro, I think it's gonna keep going lower. Because that's regular trading hour high. If you're looking at a regular trading hour chart. With ES, I'm looking at ES right here first. NAS definitely can, but realistically, bro, that's all it fucking needs. Where is NAS? NAS is a little bit closer. I mean, consequent encroachment of yesterday's regular trading hour as well. I mean, all this, bro. It's just really the time then, to be honest. ES is already starting to break down. Well, I'd love to take that buy. Yeah, I know, that'd be fucking sick. Yeah, that buy would have been nasty, bro. I was thinking about just setting it for this 5-minute fair value gap down here on NAS. But yeah, I would have already hit it once and then went and then hit it again. Like my style, I would have broke even on it. But Sean, we gotta hop on after we're done trading. I want to show you theory that I have that could work trading on TradingView. You'd basically use like an account through Tradevate. You connect it on TradingView through Tradevate, have your NinjaTrader open. Nice. Have your NinjaTrader open. So basically the accounts we just opened up, you use those as your lead account. Trade on TradingView, connect it through Tradevate. Yeah, the fills are weird. I mean, unless you're doing like limit orders, which I do regardless. But the only thing that I would have a problem with is the position size. Position size calculators are kind of ass on TradingView. Yeah, then your live won't be the lead exactly. I mean, your live doesn't necessarily have to be the lead. It's just, I think it's just it's the best latency. I mean, you're connected directly to the broker. Like, I feel like that's where you're going to get your best fills at. I don't know. In theory, in my head, it kind of makes sense. I'd like to see his signatures on this 5-minute fair value gap here. See if we're using all the 3 points as a premium. So when you're looking at a fair value gap and you think it's going to go through it, so I think it's going to go through this and then trade down to here. You want to see all 3 of these points, the premium, consequent encroachment, and the low, used as resistance. So a lot of people would see this as like a buy, and rightfully so. If you think it's going to keep going higher, I think this would be a great buy. If you think it's going to go lower, you want to see it trade through it. You want to see all 3 of these points. So now if this trades back up to here, you want to see it be used as resistance. Let's see. I might actually short that order block right there if we can get down past it nicely and then trade back up if it shows some great signatures here. Or I just might take first percent fair value gap to these lows. These lows are pretty fucking juicy. It's not convinced yet either way. And see both sides. If you see both sides, it's not high probability. You can make a case. Always make an argument. It's good to be it's good to have some devil's advocate tendencies when you're trading. Because like you want to always see like the positives in your trades, like, oh yeah, this, oh my gosh. But you always want to play the other side and say, all right, let me make a column. Buy, sell right now. If buys majority are happening, you can't really make a case to go the other way. That's a high probability setup. fair value gap right here. We're using this a little bit as support. So I don't like it too much right now. I want to see it. I want to see this area used as a resistance. This area resistance, this area resistance, this area resistance. What's this? The old pre-market high. Resistance. ES is definitely the one to short here. Still breaking down a lot faster. NASDAQ can take over. I mean, it's really going to take over here in this next candle. NASDAQ on the 1 minute's making a lower low than ES. So if NASDAQ can definitely turn on and create those jets to go lower. ES might be a cleaner setup though. Still using that area of support. Not liking that too much. Could run higher one more time, bro, and have this be the low of the breaker. And then trade the low. Kind of something like this. This would be fucking nasty. If you can get that, have it trade all the way up to this liquidity pool, and then break down here, and then trade back up into here, I'll take that short all day. All day. But it could also break down. I'll get in sync with it. Just something clean. It got to present something fucking nice. I got to shit myself. All right, top of it, using it as nice resistance there. Very clean. There's a whole ass order block too. This last up close candle right here. Whole ass order block. I really want to see this left open. If this can be left open, bro, this would be a great fucking trade. This breakaway gap right here. What else are we looking at? Nothing really too, like, there's not a lot of shit. Overnight, you have that 1 hour fair value gap that's like connected. So if we go here on the 1 hour, I use both of these down close candles. So I use this. There's no gap here, so I just connected it with this one then. And then you see the bodies on the consequent encroachment here after taking sell side, and then the reaction off of that was fucking gorgeous, bro. I wanted to get in sync with that move, but it just went too fast. You could have ripped the 15-minute IO Fed, but IO Fed is just an immediate rebalance of a fair value gap like this. So the fair value gap creates, you have you have the institutional order flow entry drill. Institutional order flow is just it's a name for like a trending market. Every fair value gap just gets respected. That's institutional order flow. Every fair value gap is getting respected, and then if you're bullish, you want to see a quick rejection of like sell side liquidity as well. So it's an institutional order flow entry drill. So it's called an IO Fed. So something like this. You have a fair value gap created, the next candle immediately hits it and then goes. Those are the cleanest ones in my eyes. I love those kind of setups. But now you don't see the top of it rejected. Like I said, it could keep going up from there. That was a great area to buy. Have the old high as well. NASDAQ, we see some 1 minute SMTs after liquidating the high. This one doesn't necessarily have to do it because NASDAQ is here creating that higher high. If it rejects from there and then makes a breaker to go lower, dude, fuck. That'd be crazy. Watch them both. Liquidity there. Consequent encroachment of yesterday's gap. Then you also have the new week open gap. That's right above. Could definitely stretch up into there. Yep, so there we go. There's that liquidity. It'll be nice to see if this wants to break down with ES. Incredible trade if this starts breaking down, it goes here and then keeps selling off. But definitely doesn't have to. Nazi D, definitely the stronger one. I gotta go to the bathroom again real quick. Look. Way back. Ten a.m. here. News just came out a minute ago. Got a lot of liquidity above. I mean, each one is like its own fucking pool. Wouldn't be surprised if we trade up to the new week open gap. Just waiting. Let's talk about this with Alex yesterday on the phone. Alex caught a nice 1-3 yesterday. During lunch. It's fucking beautiful. But I was talking with him. I was like, I mean, he really said it. He was like, my job is to just pick out great levels, affluence levels, and to wait for price to get to those levels and prove it to me that I wants to do X, Y, or Z. And then I just execute and manage risk accordingly. That's it. That's all you're doing. That is all. Things should definitely keep going at this point. I'll probably watch it on this screen here. Ain't not much else to watch here. Price is just kind of ripping. The fair value gap get respected here for the upside. Just made the higher high. YM doesn't make the higher high though. Have a little SMT there. Oh, oh. Did we get to the consequent encroachment of yesterday? No, not yet. But we did take out a lot of buy side liquidity. Man. There she goes. Nice. The 1 minute. Oh, what? NASDAQ. Damn. That boy KP. Shit. Yesterday's consequent encroachment hit. Come on, load, baby. Load, baby. That boy Pizzle. Yeah, consequent encroachment, yesterday's gap. Bang. Right here would be this line. 18,280. Keep running. Lots and lots of buy side. Very clean, very clean. NASDAQ about to smack that shit. Nazzy D about to smack it. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Oh, I'd see a shit break down. Trading up this high, that'd be fucking nice. Crazy trade. Price just keeps flying. Keep on keeping on. NASDAQ, tick away. Tick away from the gap. It'll smack it. Do a little smack here. They'll go, hey, how you doing? Schmack it. Schmack it. Oh. No trades for old fried piece yet. Nothing. An hourly high. On which one? 10 p.m. you mean? Yeah, no. It's gonna trade all the way up there, dude. Definitely should trade into a new week open gap. Yes, as well. Swept an hourly high, but should definitely get some legs here. Keep going up into it. Yes, you got this fair value gap here. You know what I'm gonna do? We'll just make a new list. Create new list. Yes. Money and Q. And yes. Add and Q. Current contract. Yes. Oh, nope. Yes, current contract. So I just hit spacebar, it just goes to both of them. So I can hit either one. Where is this one here? Oh, nice. It just automatically switches to it. Fucking lit. Let's go. Oh. There we go. Fair value gap here on ES. Breaking down a little bit. So look, we respect the bottom half of that, or the midpoint. We traded through it, respected the midpoint. It shows it going lower. The only way I would look for this to go bullish again is if we use this as a bullish PDA. We have SMT on the lows on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's trading actually a little bit lower than ES. NASDAQ's trading down below this 15-minute low. ES hasn't traded back down below it. You can see this low right here. NASDAQ is now traded below it. I do like the buy, bro. I'm gonna be honest. They have SMT now. SMT with this. Let's see how it reacts. I want to see NASDAQ get some legs, though. No SMT on the highs. Like even the 15-minute highs is what I'm saying. Oh, why I'm so close. It'd be a sin not to actually trade up there. Yeah, I do like the buy to keep it going, to be honest. Yes, you have this fair value gap. Really, this one too. It's gonna be a reclaimed fair value gap right here. I like this one a lot. So 5-minute respect. If we get a nice close here in the next 25 second, nice respect on the fair value gap. Breaker right here. Really, it's this fair value gap that's gonna get reclaimed. Because a nice symmetrical market, obviously it's been respecting every single fair value gap it's been hit into. So then hits it here. So there's a lot of orders gonna be placed here for a buy. So now that we liquidated them to get back out of that, if we trade back above, now we can use that as a buy because there's going to be a shit ton of orders in there. So nice respect to that 5-minute fair value gap. 1 minute here. Risk would look something like... Oh, well, I'm I'm on the wrong one. Not on ES, MES. Let's go. Fucking tits. Reset. Six. And then to make, what level is this? 84. 1.8. Risk reward ratio. I kind of like it, to be honest. I'll put 4 on it. Give S&T on it, first breaker. NASDAQ is a little bit stronger now. Kinda. I don't think it's going to fall back down, though, to me. I think it's just going to rip. That was the entry, 15-minute IO Fed, just trying to get in sync within the 1 minute. It's pretty tough. We'll go 6, if we can get back down to there. We'll see. I like it. As a draw. Drawing the old lick boy. Stop loss in a good spot. Take profit in a good spot. Everything good. Freddy Futures. Let's see. Nas already hit it. If ES wants to dip down a little bit and get it, I'd rather take it on ES. Left rub of equal highs. None of the highs have been taken yet, except for YM, but you have the higher target, but it's still unfulfilled on both NASDAQ and ES. I think it's going to hit it. Definitely should. Stop loss in a good spot. If it breaks that swing high, I'm definitely going to take off. So that would already be technically 2P1. It can come back down and hit it and still go, but I'd rather hit it now before taking out that swing high. We'll see. ES definitely the stronger one here a little bit. NASDAQ dipped down a little bit deeper than ES. We'll see. We will see what it wants. Honestly, I shouldn't go this much risk on it though. There's no higher time frame key level. I'd rather even not get that much risk on it, honestly. Just because there's no higher time frame key level. If there was, then I'd fucking rip the shit out of it, but... So it dips down to that fair value gap there. Misses the entry by a little bit. I want to see it dip down to that one I have marked out. Doesn't have to, like just a low hanging fruit that's all it needs. but 3/4 risk here. Just because it doesn't have a higher time frame key level. I'm aiming for it, but we'll see where it gets to. Yeah, like it. Like I said, $100 risk. Let's see. Fair value gap, nothing crazy. 3/4 risk here to see it run higher. This is the nice little setup. We'll see what it wants. If it wants to liquidate me, I'll have it liquidate me. Good reaction. Want to see it run from there. Yeah, no bueno. Glad I took some risk off. Very glad I took some risk off there. Just the one time that I want to get long in this run, man. It's just ready to go. Go for the sell side. GG's. Man, trading, bro. Running up all day and then just wants to reverse last second. SMT there on the lows. Have higher time frame still intact. Beautiful signature on the 5. You let it rip. GG's, boys. Five-minute fair value gap again. Top of it. Obviously can't go below there, but probably end up stopping me out. Yep, glad I put a fucking little risk on there. NAS is now starting to sell off. GG's. What's this guy saying? JCat. Let's take profit. 52.84. No shot, right? No shot. It misses me by a tick. My stop loss. No shot it goes higher from there, right? Yeah, no shot. $10.30. He said you're good. It's going. Yeah, I don't know, bro. If it don't, it don't. Don't care. Proper risk. Yeah, there she goes for the stop loss. GG's. Mitigated a little bit. Don't hate it. He goes, fuck. It is what it is, bro. That is trading for you. That might be it for the day, but we'll see. I want to get this run down. Yeah, it just sucks, man. You have SMT there. Have higher time frame still intact. The one time it wants to retrace and just fuck around and not keep trending. I was waiting for sell side to get run. Neither of them ran the fucking highs. It's kind of just wild how it just stopped right there. Last 3 15-minute candles are just kind of fucking chilling. Tough bid. There's a stop run to keep it running higher. Second touch of the 5-minute fair value gap. JJ's. We'll stop out and run to take profit, sure. Bro, what? Last leg. A. Is what it is, bro. It's trading. Sure. Yeah, let me type this out. I think it's still going to hit it. Might try to just get back in sync with it. Breaker right here. Yeah, the relative equal lows, but I like the highs to get fucking run first. I might take it even from the same spot. Just for like less risk. Probably the same risk, honestly. Probably the same exact setup. This one's just not getting respected too much. It's a 5-minute. Oops. It's just stopped, bro. It's fucking just a little crazy, little crazy. Tough bid, tough one. Little toughy. It's just not good price action, bro. I don't think I'm going to be able to get into another trade. Go. Trading inside should just shoot up, honestly. Yeah. I'll go for 4 again. If it comes back down, I don't think it will. I think it will just shoot up. Just hits the old SL and then runs a take profit. I love it. 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 Right idea. Come back down to 50. Sell stop. Same idea. You're still going to be inside that breaker there. Too much liquidity up top. I'm down to take 2 losses on this. Wish just would have hit that. Really, the best entry would have been here. Like, that's the low-hanging fruit. I want to put my entry a little bit below it, just so I don't have to risk as much. But let's see it hit it and just run. GG's, bro. G fucking G's. Yeah, there it is. GG's, bruv. I'd rather just take the sell from there now. Nice. Nice. Let's trade. Wanted to color outside the lines of that 5-minute fair value gap again. It's a little outside the lines. GG's. G fucking G's. $3.5, man, that's a target and a half. GG's, bruv. That's how you do it. Get stopped out and fucking run. We have the mid gap right there. The mid gap. Bang, would have got me out by a tick. Lob it. Lob. Down, down, down. It's just the double tap of the 5-minute fair value gap, bro. Everything was just so nice. Just stair, step, stair, stair, rocket, left relative equal highs. It wanted to come back and retrace deeper one more time and then go. So. That's what it is. That is trading. Trading. It's fun. It's a good time. Trading is fun. I like these lows to get swept now. Doesn't have to do it now, but can trade up a little bit higher. It's just in a super deep premium at this point. I wouldn't even know what I want to see. I'll wait like another 8 minutes. I think it's going to keep running a little bit higher. And I will fucking just reverse on them. Too much sell side there though to leave that. Especially on NASDAQ. Tough, 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 tough. Ooh, that's tough. Ew, that was gross. Ah. It's all green candles, baby. As soon as you want to hop in, it's just like, nope, let me just chop around a little bit. GG's. Down. Down, 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 down. Degrees of that. Oh. Boom, boom. Ba-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, down, down. Ba-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, dun, 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 dun. Ba-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, down, down. Yes, sir, KP. Down. Ba-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, dun. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Bum, bum, bum.
Count.
What's up, boys?
What
What up, brother?
dude?
Fucking chilling.
I took that same trade as you, Ty.
Yeah, GG's. Big Al, how'd you do? No trade?
No trading for me. I was telling Sean I was about to go long. There's a 1 minute fair value gap from 944 on Nasdaq. It's nested in that 5 minute IO Fed. I was
Yep.
gonna go long in there, but we were just setting relative equal lows in the 1 minute, and we had news in 2 minutes, and I was just like, "That's my setup, bro." But news in 2 minutes, not my setup. So since I had that context of news, I just didn't take it. It would have been a 1 to 4, went straight to TP, but it happens.
Love it.
Yeah, just had to be disciplined as a motherfucker, dude.
Yes, sir.
That's all I saw. That's all I saw today. Once we took out, I was telling Sean, once we took out those 1 hour highs for the market maker buy model, I was done. I didn't even. He was saying you guys went for the new week open yet,
Yep.
but
Tried to, and then
once we took out,
ended up losing.
yeah, once we took out the highs, I was just like, all right, whatever, I'm done. Dude, that sucks, bro. Just that stop run.
Yeah, it is what it is. Marco was trending the whole time. I was like, all right, cool. It's gonna fucking great reaction. SMT. And then it came
Dude, that's what I
all the
just
way back
said.
down. I was like, oh well.
Just market maker buy model all day. You go long, it's like let's do one.
Dude,
As
honestly,
soon as I
this
got
was
long.
this was a day where I bet you lunch is gonna be pretty fucking good to run some lows here.
I like these lows at 1017. Yeah, I mean there's 1 minute relative equals on
Yeah.
ES. It's at the high of the opening range gap, or the 930 to 10 opening range. So it's a nice draw for lower.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Nas
It's
a little
also
bit
just-
a little bit cleaner on those lows with
Yeah,
that
Nas
fair
is
value gap
cleaner.
there.
That's just definitely cleaner lows. The opening range gap on Nasdaq's just a little bit higher than, but
That little 15-minute IO Fed SMT got me, dude. But realistically, it wasn't enough confirmation for my model, but I took it anyways, but just for really small risk.
Yeah, as well. I didn't put
Dude.
full risk on it.
the market overnight was so ugly, dude. Like 3 a.m. to 8, I got on, I was just like, what am I even looking at?
You got on at 3 a.m.
No. Just 3 a.m. to 8. I got on at 8. And then I was trying to get in sync with the market maker buy model pre-market, but dude, I was just like, what market maker PDA am I gonna pick on the left side of the curve, dude? I don't even know what I'm looking at. So I just couldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of discipline for me today, dude. I was like, I see where it's going, I just don't know how to get in sync with it. So I just stayed out.
Nice.
Yeah. Thanks, brother. 1050, dude. Here we go.
Yes, sir. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna hop off here.
All right, brother.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna hop off in a minute too, but I'll sit on for a little, Alex.
All right, boys.
Peace, Ty.
Yep.
Peace out, Ty.
Got a little something here. Fair value got. Where's this one? $2022 model for those lows would be fucking nasty. Would be nasty. It's the right time of day. Right there, that short. Bang. Let's see. I want to react from there. Because does it respect this 5 minute and just keep fucking ripping? Because that's what it's been doing this whole fucking time. I think we'll rip lower. Either one. I'll take it on either. Just gotta rip lower. Not keep going for boy side. Want to keep going up from there? Maybe. Probably. Tis what it's been doing all day. Probably. Boom, 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 boom. Down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Down, down. Down, 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 down. Ba-dum. Nice, KP. 18,350. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. See what JCap said. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, boys, I'm getting off. GG's. Have a good day.